Today I'm going to show you how to share your Strava profile with others. So I'm starting by opening the Strava application on my device. Once the app loads up and I'm on the main screen, I'm looking up at the top where I can see my profile icon. That's what I need to tap first. So I'm going ahead and tapping on that profile icon now. As soon as I do that, it takes me to my profile page where I can see all my activities, stats, and other profile information. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm looking over at the top right corner of the screen. Right there, I can see a share icon. This is the button that's going to give me all the options for sharing my profile. So I'm tapping on that share icon now. Once I tap it, a menu pops up showing me several different ways I can share my profile with other people. This menu is pretty straightforward and gives me a few options to work with. The first option I see is share via Strava itself, which lets me send my profile directly to other Strava users. Then there's messages, which opens up my messaging app so I can send my profile link through a text message. I also see copy link, which just copies the profile URL so I can paste it wherever I want. There's also Chrome, which lets me share through my browser, and Quick Share, which gives me even more sharing options depending on what apps I have installed. So at this point, I'm just choosing whichever method works best for me. If I want to send it to a friend through text, I'll tap Messages. If I want to post it somewhere online, I might choose Copy Link and paste it myself. The choice really depends on where I want to share it and who I'm sharing it with. Now, if I decide I don't want to use any of those options, I can go back to the previous screen. From there, I'm looking for another option called Share My QR Code. So I'm tapping on that. When I do, Strava generates a unique QR code for my profile and displays it on the screen. This QR code is really handy because it means other people can just scan it with their phone camera and they'll be taken directly to my Strava profile without needing to type anything in. So if I'm meeting someone in person or want to make it super easy for them to find me on Strava, I can just show them this QR code. They scan it and my profile pops up right away on their device, and that's it. I've just shared my Strava profile either through one of the sharing options or by showing someone my QR code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.